Happy Friday, everybody. We're hurtling toward the end of March. Vernal equinox. Oh, that means it's the first day of spring, right? Isn't that the vernal equinox? Let me check. Is the vernal equinox the first day of spring? Yes. Yes, it is. So, happy spring, everyone. I will, yeah, absolutely. I am so excited about that. Let's pick a card. I'm gonna shuffle them a little bit because the last time I picked one that was a grid and not a ribbon. I know that this box is grids and ribbons. So I ended up with a grid instead of a ribbon, and I need a ribbon. Let's hope that that one's a ribbon. Is this one a ribbon? Yes. Yes, it is. Awesome. Grids and ribbons can be drawn in a single line. Izzle. Izzle is our pattern. First we do these little squiggles. And then we come back. So she says it can be drawn as a single line. I see. So we can draw and then come down and then go. I'm not sure I'd be able to do that. I am not coordinated enough unless you can do it this way. I guess you could. I will do them as separate lines, I think. And then you come back here and you do a little aura here. And then the little flower pod bit. And then here we do another aura on the outside. So there's an aura on the inside and an aura on the outside. And then you just finish it with one final full leaf there. And you can put in extra bits. We can just play. But that is the base for this pattern called Izzle. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold. I am going to all right. So we are going to draw with, I'm feeling purple gel pen. Because the gel pen works really well on the watercolor paper. I think. Okay, and then we're going to go this way and this way. And this way. This way. And this way. And that way. That way, and that way, and that way. And then we do another one of these. Then one on the, and with a little, this bit comes like that, perhaps, and then another line on the outside. Finish that off like that, and then this one's going to go like that. Okay. I like that. I think I am going to color in these ones. And I do think I want to put an extra line coming that way, like she did. And I think my tips of these little shapes are going to have a spiral to them because I feel like it. Like that. And then I do think I'm feeling like I need one more petal shape. A little bit wider. I want it wider. Like that. I like that. Okay. This is Izzle. And that's it. Simple. A simple one today. I like all the gold sparkly. The gold sparkle on there makes me happy. That is the bookmark for the day. Super simple. Easy. That was a good pattern. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video whenever that happens to be. I'm going to go upload these videos. I am going to come back out here and clean my studio. My studio is such a mess. It is beyond a mess. I just need to. I need to. All right. So you have a blessed day. I'm going to go have some lunch. It's 12 o'clock. Go have some lunch. Come back out here and clean my studio. Sounds like a good plan. All right. You guys, I will see you later. If you are following me over on Instagram, I will take a before and after pictures of of my desk and my studio and the disaster that it is, and then take a picture before and after. So stay tuned to Instagram. Actually, you will have, if you are following me on Instagram, you will have already seen it on the, what is the actual date today that I'm drawing these things? The 24th of February. So there's that. But I just keep bringing things in here and leaving them in piles, and I just have piles and piles and piles, and I need to do something with this. This is driving me nuts. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.